Welcome to the system. 12 entries ago. This journey began with a question. Today, however, you're asking different questions now. How do you set up a system? How do you make an idea work? An automation, a server, an API, or a small script? They all start with the same idea, understanding a problem, then simplifying it, and finally, building a system that can run over and over again. That's what architecture is all about. So far, we've talked about data, we've talked about code, we've talked about connections, we've talked about hardware, but all of these weren't an end in themselves. All of it was so you could build your own system, because technology isn't just something to be consumed, it's an ecosystem to be created, shared, and developed. Maybe you haven't set up your first server yet, maybe you haven't written your first line of code yet, maybe you haven't created your first automation yet. It doesn't matter. What matters is that you now know where to start, because every great system starts with a decision, and every architect will eventually set up their first system. This post ends here, but the journey is just beginning. Starting with the next section, we'll examine real systems together, real automation systems, real open source solutions, and real architectural decisions. Maybe one day, a system you build will kickstart someone else's journey. When that day comes, you'll understand why these recordings exist. System status: active, season 0 on, complete. Next phase: build. Status: running.